Can you find all the cats? Today, we are going to make a Find the Cat game in Scratch. In this game, the cats are hidden on the screen, and your job is to find them all. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create your own game, just like this one. It's fun, simple, and perfect for beginners. Let's get started. First, let's upload all the sprites we need for the game. We need one sprite for the background, and a cat that the player will try to find. Also a winning screen when you win the game. Let's start with the background. When the green flag is clicked, make sure the background is in position and does not move. Make it show and send it to the back layer. Start with the first backdrop for level 1. Let's create a variable called level to keep track of which level we are on, and we start with level 1. And then broadcast a start level message to begin the game. Now let's move on to the cat sprite. The cat has many different colors, which makes it perfect for hiding. When I receive the start level message, hide the cat first. Then use a repeat block to create 10 clones of the cat. For each clone, switch to a different color costume so every cat look different. When I start as a clone, make the cat go to a random position. You can also add a ghost effect to make the cat harder to find. Then make the cat show up. Now you have created 10 hidden cats in the background. Now, what happens when you find a cat? Let's create a new variable called score to track how many cats you found. We first set score to 0. Then use a forever loop. If the mouse is touching the cat and clicked, increase the score by 1 and play a meow sound. You can even change the pitch to make it sound like the cat is singing. Don't forget to delete the clone after it's found. To turn this into a multi-level game, let's go back to the background sprite. Use a forever loop to keep checking the score. If the player has found all 10 cats, that means the score reaches 10. Increase level by 1 and broadcast the start level message again and switch to the next backdrop costume for the next level. There are 5 backdrops in total, which means our game has 5 levels. Now, let's add the winning condition. If the player completes all 5 levels, broadcast a "You win" message and stop the game. We also want the winning screen to appear. Go to the winning screen sprite. When the green flag is clicked, hide it first. When I receive the "You win" message, make it show. And that's it. You've just created your own Find the Cat game in Scratch. If you enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next game.